All right, everything looks correct here. Proceed to Bay 5. Next one up, let's move it.
Gross weight confirmed at 72,500 kilograms. Ticket printing now.
Watch the flow on the left. Clear it out, move faster. Keep it moving to the belt.
Here we see the wet starch entering the centrifuge, where rapid spinning removes excess water before it moves to the dryer.
Temperature stabilizing now.
Flow rate holding steady. Optimal levels confirmed.
Check the viscosity reading on panel 3.
Acknowledged, maintaining ratio at 60%.
Check the flow rate on line 3, it's slightly high.
Got it.
Adjusting the vibration intensity now.
The moisture content is stable at 12.5%.
Good. Record the consistency data as well.
The weight variance is slightly off on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the feeder now.
Layer 7 alignment is perfect. Yeah, very stable. Let's move it to the wrapping machine.
All right, paperwork checked. You're good to go. Next truck, come on up.
Keep the cassava rice moving to the scanning station.
Already on it, almost cleared the truck.